All right, now we're on to our first example of evaluating points of piecewise functions here. So the goal is to plug 2 and minus 2 into this piecewise defined function where we have 3x plus 1 whenever x is greater than or equal to 0, and x squared when x is less than minus 1. All right, so looking at what we have here, we're going to try to find f of 2. How do we do that? So we're trying to plug in 2 here, and these conditions tell us exactly what to do under certain cases regarding our input. So our input is 2. So when 2 is bigger than or equal to 0, and it is, we're going to use this function. All right? This turns out to be equal to 3 times 2 plus 1, because 2 is bigger than 0. We use this function when x, our input, is bigger than or equal to 0. Okay? Simplify, I get 7. 3 times 2 plus 1 is 7. All right, let's try f of minus 2. So our input is minus 2. When x is less than, or our input is less than minus 1, we use this function, the x squared. Is minus 2 less than minus 1? Yes, it is. So we're going to use this function. So we get minus 2 squared. Or if you like, just 4. Okay? So the trick here was just to figure out what condition we need to use, which function we need to use, depending on the given input. Here we're looking at just the first thing, which is whenever x is greater than or equal to 0, we use this function. Whenever x is less than minus 1, we use the second function. In the first case, our x value that we were plugging in was 2, which is bigger than or equal to 0, so we use the first. In the second case, we have minus 2, which was less than minus 1, so we use the second. Okay? So if you don't get it just yet, check out the next example video. With enough examples, eventually you'll get it. You have to. All right? So I'll see you there.